So I'm here with Tony. We're going to do get this trout prepared. So why don't you tell us how you're going to do that?
We'll season them with some salt and pepper and garlic. We're going to slice some lemons and fill them inside the cavity. We'll lay a strip of bacon over the top, and then we'll tie them up with the butcher's twine, and we'll finish cooking them on the cedar plank. So
excellent.
You're going to get all kinds of flavor from the lemon and the bacon and all that seasoning, and it should stay nice.
Sounds
so
great.
We'll start with the lemon. We'll put a few slices on the inside. And we're also going to use some of the lemons as a garnish, and we'll throw those on the grill and we'll let them get charred. And your guests can squeeze the charred lemon on top.
Sounds great.
So we'll season the insides first. Some salt and pepper. And we'll put a little bit of garlic in there so it permeates through. Super easy, not too fancy, but great flavor. The lemons like this.
Nikki went to food now to get all the other stuff. We went to sketchy food. Oh, good. Yeah,
And then
we'll see.
So when we throw these on the grill, we'll set the grill at what, around 400 degrees, you think?
About 400.
Okay.
And they should cook pretty quick. These are about 2-pound rainbow trout.
Okay.
And they should cook up real nice and simple in there.
15 minutes or so, you think?
I
Something
think
like
about
that?
15 minutes,
Okay.
15 or 18 minutes should be fine. And we'll put them back over onto this side. Put just a tiny bit of garlic on the fish, on the outside. And cooking the fish with the skin on will keep a lot of the moisture in, and the smoke will permeate throughout, and they should taste really great. And this is really simple. We pre-cut some butcher's twine just to hold everything intact. And when this comes out, it should have a great presentation.
Awesome. Great.
Bacon will all crisp up and everything. And these are real simple. Just slide it under. And we'll do a little boaters or Boy Scout tie. And instead of just going once, if you go twice, it'll hold so you don't lose the slack.
Oh, great.
And then just tie another one. The lemons we can char this way.
Perfect.
Make sure they're set on there, right?
All right, well, I'm going to close that up so we hold that temp.
Okay, we got that trout coming off. Look, great smoked trout.
Oh my God, look at they stuffed the belly with lemon and spices. Bacon?
A little bit of bacon on there. Right off the dock.
Go up. Get your eye out for the...
Hey, who wants trout?
I want some.
Come and get it.
That might not be what?
Oh man, but so good. A little bacon on there.
This is not saltwater fish, right? Isn't trout
Freshwater.
freshwater? I didn't know that. Very, very good.
How nice that.
I like the lemon.
Probably the juiciest one I've ever had in my life.
I like the lemon on it.
Oh, trout's nice.
Where's your son? That's up his alley.
It's cleaning fish. It's cleaning fish. What about a wing?